Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best buffing block is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked tools in achieving salon quality, naturally beautiful nails right at home, transforming your nail care routine from a chore into a satisfying ritual of self-pampering and enhancement. Number 5. TsMADDTs Nail Files and Buffers 12 PCS, Black. Achieve a salon-quality manicure at home with this professional nail care kit. It includes everything you need for a perfect finish. These tools feature a 100-180 grit, making them ideal for shaping and smoothing your nails. Get the precise results you desire. Crafted for durability, these nail files and buffers effectively shape and refine your nails. They are designed to last and provide excellent performance. The rectangular design offers a comfortable grip for precise art care. It allows for easy handling during your nail routine. This convenient set includes 12 pieces in a classic black color. You'll have plenty of tools for all your nail care needs. Whether you're doing your nails at home or in a professional setting, these tools are a great addition. They ensure a smooth and polished look every time. What we like? This option comes in a large pack, offering great value. It features a dual grit system for comprehensive nail care. If you need a reliable and cost-effective solution for multiple uses or for a salon setting, this is a solid choice. What people say. The buffer blocks are sturdy, easy to hold, and smooth the nail surface without feeling too harsh. The 100-180 grit files strike a nice balance, strong enough to shape the nail quickly but gentle enough for regular at-home use. The files have just the right amount of grit without being harsh, and the buffers smooth everything out with very little effort. They feel durable in the hand and don't bend or crumble like most budget files. The nail files are good too, but I like my other ones better, they're a little flimsy. Number 4. Onsen Secret Professional Nail Buffer Block. Discover the secret to naturally beautiful nails. This professional tool helps you achieve a healthy, radiant shine with ease. Experience a complete nail care solution. Its innovative 4-way system smooths, buffs, and shines, transforming your natural nails. Promote the health of your natural nails. This buffer block is designed to enhance their appearance without causing damage. Perfect for recovery after gel or acrylic treatments. It gently restores your nails to their natural, healthy state. Get salon-quality results in the comfort of your home. Achieve a professional finish every time you use it. Enjoy extended use with included extra shine pads. Maintain that perfect natural shine for longer periods. What we like? Achieve a salon-quality shine with its advanced 4-way system. It's specifically designed for natural shine and aids in the recovery of nails after gel or acrylic treatments. If you're looking to restore your natural nails or maintain a healthy, glossy finish without polish, this is the product for you. What people say. It works, and gives your nails an unbelievable hardcoat super shine. Works fantastic on natural nails, and acrylic nails. The shine never fades or leaves, and doesn't really scratch. You don't have to redo the filing process ever. My nails look so healthy and beautiful. It looks like I'm wearing a shiny clear coat. And so easy in 3 steps. First use the clarify side that evens out your nail texture, then the boost side that smooths it out, and then the shine side that makes your nails look absolutely stunning. My nails are stunning with this thing. So shiny. I'm never wearing nail polish again because bare nails after this buff look so elegant and pretty. I think it looks better than clear nail polishes too. Number 3. 4-sided nail buffer blocks, white. Achieve salon-quality nails with our 4-sided buffer blocks. Designed for both natural and acrylic nails, they offer a perfect finish every time. The medium grit ensures a smooth and gentle buffing experience. Easily shape, smooth, and shine your nails without causing damage. Each block features 4 distinct sides for comprehensive nail care. From shaping to polishing, these tools handle it all. Whether you prefer natural beauty or acrylic enhancements, these buffers are your go-to solution. They work wonders on any nail type. Get a bulk pack of 12 white buffer blocks, perfect for personal use or professional salons. Keep your nails looking their best with this essential kit. What we like? This pack provides a simple yet effective 4-sided buffing experience. The medium grit is suitable for both natural and acrylic nails, making it a versatile option. If you prefer a straightforward buffing tool that works well on various nail types and you want a good quantity, consider this. What people say. This buffing block is great for natural nails. It leaves my nails smooth and shiny. I love how easy it is to use. Number 2. Makartt 4006000 Grit Nail Buffer. Introducing the Makartt Nail Buffer, your ultimate tool for achieving salon-quality nails at home. This kit is designed for both natural and acrylic fingernails. With a 4006000 grit combination, it effectively smooths and shines your nails. The extra fine grit ensures a perfect finish every time. Easily bring out the natural shine of your nails. It works wonders on both natural and acrylic surfaces, leaving them looking healthy and vibrant. Designed for comfort, its easy-to-hold shape allows for precise control. You can achieve professional results with minimal effort. This convenient pack includes 10 pieces in a stylish green and white design. Get multiple tools for long-lasting use and value. What we like. Experience an exceptionally fine grit for a superior, high-gloss finish. Its ergonomic design ensures comfortable handling during use. If you desire a mirror-like shine on your natural or acrylic nails and appreciate a comfortable grip for precision, this is an excellent selection. What people say. The texture of the abrasive removes excess skin and nail material quickly, and using the progressively finer grades leaves a very nice finish to your nails. You can buff your natural nail to an impressive shine without any polish at all, removing or reducing ridges with the green side first, and finishing with the white side. They are sturdy, easy to hold, and perfect for smoothing and prepping nails before polish or gel. Number 1. TsMADDTs Manicure Tools Kit. Introducing the TsMADDTs Manicure Tools Kit, your all-in-one solution for professional nail care at home. This comprehensive set has everything you need for a perfect manicure. It includes 3 nail files for shaping, 2 buffer blocks for smoothing, and 2 polishing buffers for a brilliant shine. Achieve salon-quality results with ease. Tackle cuticles effortlessly with the included nipper and pusher. Keep your nails looking neat and healthy with these precise tools. Complete your treatment with the nourishing cuticle oil. It hydrates and conditions, leaving your nails and surrounding skin soft and revitalized. With this kit, you can achieve flawless nails every time. It's designed for both beginners and experienced users, ensuring beautiful results. This is your go-to set for maintaining beautiful, healthy nails. Experience the convenience and quality of the TsMADDTs Manicure Tools Kit. What we like. This comprehensive kit includes not only buffer blocks but also files, polishers, and cuticle tools. It's designed to provide a full range of manicure essentials in one package. If you're looking for an all-in-one solution for at-home nail care and want convenience, this kit covers all your needs. What people say. Did a great job on my nails. The buffer file does wear out fast, but if you clean it you can keep using it. Compact, easy to use, and has all the tools I need for a perfect at-home manicure. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.